All right, welcome back. We have officially finished the post-sale world-class client experience. We now have a SAM 2.0 routine built. We now have custom templates created so that we can start sending those messages to our people. And we have our affiliate links so that we can create all of the infrastructure. We can start sending people through this process. So let's review real quick exactly how this process goes. And this is the keys to success. This is the keys to the kingdom. And so here's how the process goes. A client comes in from being a lead, and we are going to work with, we're going to nurture, we're going to learn all we can about them. Now, this is the key to success right here. The better the relationship you can build with this client, the better Sam is going to be able to help you share custom content that is relevant to them. We're driving this so that we can build that world-class client experience. Now, after we work with them, we serve them, we deliver on all of the things that we're able to deliver on, and we do it as high caliber, as top quality as we absolutely can. Then they close and we get a commission. Cha-ching, right? Now, after this, we go back into our SAM account, and in the important dates, we put the closing date. Now, this is going to trigger that routine that we have built for that post-sale world-class client experience. Now, from here, what's going to happen is as these moments occur, Sam is going to send out these custom messages with helpful offers. So they are going to be receiving, hey, it's time to replace your HVAC furnace filter. Here's a link to the specific one for your house. Let me know if you have any questions. Hopefully this helps. And then we're going to move on with our life. But what it's going to do is it's giving us additional touch points, and we're driving value. Now, these past clients are going to start purchasing these things that we send them. It's just easier for them. They don't have to go to Walmart wondering. It's just right here. You've done all the hard work for them, and it took you like 30 seconds to do it, right? And so as they purchase these, boom, we have bonus commissions right into our pockets, and we are now creating an additional revenue stream. Now, does this work well on one person? Absolutely. But does it work even better on 100 people, on 100,000 people, on 7 billion people? Yeah, of course it does. That's how money works, right? So this process right here is the key to building post-sale world-class client experience routine in a way that is going to drive additional commissions into our pocket, and it's going to do it in a really incredible way. So this has been a really fun training for me. This is obviously something that I've spent a lot of time trying to think through and build out in a way that works really well for your business. So I'm super excited for you to put all of the pieces together, to use SAM 2.0 to create these automated AI systems that can empower you to run these routines. And ultimately, I'm super excited for you to have more money coming into your business, because when we have more money, we're able to do a lot of really incredible things. First and foremost, we can grow our business. That's awesome. Maybe we get the opportunity to hire additional staff members. We can remove more to-do items off of our list, which is ultimately going to grow our business, right? Or perhaps you decide that it's time to take a step back. Maybe we can reallocate some of this time to spending it with friends and family, or just picking up a hobby. And those things are going to revitalize you so that you can build and bring your best self to work. And I'm just so excited for this. This has been a lot of fun. Thank you guys for following along. Thank you for tuning in. And do me one last favor. Let me know if you have just an incredible success with this process. Go ahead and feel free. You can either email me, cody@workflowsecrets.info, but I will see you guys very soon. And we've got more trainings to follow. Hopefully that you are just having a really great time implementing and deploying into your business.